Welcome everyone to the Roblox Pro Academy channel. In this video, we are going to kick off with an introductory video where I will describe the platform and explain how our lessons structured and works. So let's get started. Firstly, if you land on the home page, you need to click on this Start Journey button and it will land you to the introduction lesson, which will provide all the necessary details about course and the platform. Each lesson is structured in the same way. It has a title, it has a difficulty metric, and also some prerequisite section. The prerequisite section is super important because this is what you basically need to know before you start the lesson. And here we have required knowledge, we have required tools and required downloads. If you click on the link, here you will land on the Roblox website, and I recommend you to finish these 4 elements, read 4 articles and watch the videos, just to have basic understanding about the Roblox, Studio and so on. So let's go back to our website. Also, we have required tools. We have a separate section, separate phase of installing the Roblox Studio. So we will see how to do it later. Moving forward, on the left side of each lesson, we will have a list of lessons, which you can go through one by one. And we have one big story where you start from the beginning, like building a shelter, and you will end up in an amazing kingdom. On the right hand, we have a control where you can navigate between phases, but as you can see, some of the phases are hidden, so they will be open once you complete previous. Next, we have a section with objectives, which are our goals for the current lesson. Usually we describe these goals in this way. Like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullet points and just short objective that we are going to reach in this course. Here we are going to talk about why Roblox is important. We will understand how the platform works. I will show you some mechanics we have. Then we will navigate our secret virtual world that I will describe later. And the last, I will show you how to join our community. If you're stuck and you need some help, you can get this help from our developers. Next, we have this step-by-step guide, and this is actually the heart of our lesson. Every phase is organized like this. So we have an objective on top, we have a progress bar, we have some narrative text, and we have bullet points of the steps for this phase. And if you want to start the phase, here we have a Start Interactive Guide button. So you need to click on it. And here, as you can see, the phase is open. So now we have a wizard with next and back buttons where you can navigate. And here we are guiding you through the lesson. So on the first step, we're describing why we're here, why Roblox is so cool, why it's an incredible platform, and why it's important to become a Roblox developer, because this skill essentially you can use in your future job. If you decide to move forward in game development, the skills you receive in Roblox Studio also will be applicable for Unity or Unreal Engine and so on. And next, here we are describing the growth of the platform. As you can see, Roblox is growing year by year. Now it's a good time to join and start building games together. Instead of traditional lessons, we weave stories and implement features based on the narratives, providing an engaging way to learn some new mechanics, and that's make us unique. And in addition, we will provide separate articles about some new mechanics in Roblox, and you will see them separately in the updates and features sections. So that's why it's important to stay tuned, subscribe on our social media to get this notification when something is produced. Our lessons are unique, as I already said. We have 3 pillars. We have this website with guided tours. We have YouTube channel with videos where you can watch step-by-step guides on how to complete the lesson. And also we have a virtual world which you can join and see the mechanics that we built in every lesson. There is no surefire formula for success in Roblox. There are many solar developers who build incredible successful projects, and also there are some group of people building them. The great thing that Roblox give you almost equal chance to anyone to be successful. So take your chance and let's get started. In this phase, we will understand how the Roblox Pro Academy platform works. It will provide more information about our lessons, the structure, as I just explained basically. As I said, each lesson is organized in phases. We have next and back buttons to navigate between different steps. The step can be organized as a video step, which you can make full size. We have image steps where you can have images, and you can also click on it and show it in a full screen. Also, we have an ability to reset the progress of your steps. If you would like to start your lesson from the beginning, we have this possibility. So if you scroll down to the end of the lesson, we have this button. If you click on it, it will prompt you to reset the progress. And this progress will be reset only for the current lesson, so it will not affect other lessons if you have some progress. Next, in every lesson, we also have a structure explorer. This tool guides you to create an element in Roblox Studio and show you how these elements should be structured in a Roblox Explorer. It's super important because some scripts rely on the structure, and it's helpful to understand where you need to place your new element and what attributes they should have. As you can see, this in Explorer, you have the structure, you have attributes, and so on. Next, also additionally, we have a code explorer. Whenever we provide you with some code, we also include these special elements with hints, which will describe and give you insight about what different line means. And as I said, every lesson follows a similar structure. We have a prerequisite, difficulty level, story elements, video tutorials, knowledge quizzes, and so on. What is also super important, at the end of the lessons, we have a knowledge quiz where you can check your understanding of what you just learned. Then you basically have a quiz where you can answer, click next, and see the results. Additionally, at the end of each lesson, we provide a section of knowledge base. Basically, it's a list of mechanics we just learned, and also we provide additional articles which you can use to learn materials. In addition, we offer optional homework. You can choose to do or skip it, but if you complete it, you will be eligible to win a prize in Robux from our leaderboards. And we also reward great works with additional prizes, so keep it in mind, and I really recommend you to complete all these homeworks. We also have hidden virtual levels that can only be accessed by using special pin code, which you can receive in the lesson. So when you complete a lesson, you will receive a special pin, and then you need to join our virtual world, find this place, type in, and you will be able to access a secret level with the result of the lesson. Let's move forward. We have this summary of what I just said, and yeah, let's begin your journey. Okay, let's move to the next step, and it requires install Roblox Studio, which will be starting point for preparing your environment before you start building some cool things. So let's start this phase. Here you need to download Roblox Studio. We have this link to Roblox website. Then you need to download, install it, and after you install it and open, I recommend you to complete this quick tour. So inside the Roblox Studio, you have some short learning course which will guide you how to use camera, how to use elements, move between scenes, how this interface navigation work, and also how you can run and test your game. So I really recommend you to accomplish this because we are not going to repeat them in our lessons. Okay, I understand you feel overwhelmed right now and it's just the beginning, but don't worry, it's a step-by-step process, so keep moving and you'll receive great results. Okay, let's move to the super interesting phase where we are going to explore our virtual world. It's a secret world that we created specifically for this course. So what is virtual world? It's a special game that we have inside Roblox. We offer more than just YouTube lessons and lessons on our website. In this virtual world, you have an open map. We also have a separate game where we have about 5 levels of adventure. It's fun and interactive, and you will see what mechanics we will learn in this course. In this virtual world, we will also have collectible items like coins that you can gather. There are also some power-ups, like for example here in this demo you have a double jump. So when you pick up some power-up, you will be able to jump higher. Plus you have some hidden achievements, hidden secret levels. So explore world and let us know what you will find. Okay, let's move forward. Now it's time for your first quest. Here's a special step in our lessons, and as you can see, our next button is blocked. So we need to type some code. So let's find out how to find this code. Your mission, we need to visit Roblox Pro Academy, click play button, find the main welcome area, and look for a large billboard with a special code. Format of the answer is the last 3 characters on the billboard following WWIP. Okay, let's try it. So I need to navigate to our game. I already have downloaded client, so let's execute it. Okay, now we join this virtual world, and as you can see, it's super fun. So we have coins, we have a map here which you can use to navigate through the level. But let's check what was our mission. So our mission was to look at the large billboard with a special code. So we have a billboard, I think it's this one. So let's check if it has any code. Oh, wow, nice. So here we have code WWIP in 3 letters LZR. So let's return back to our lesson and let's type it here, let LZR, enter. Excellent. So step completed successfully and we are ready to move forward. Also, in future lessons we will have interactive quests where you not only should do something on this website but also join the virtual world, find something and use it. So let's move forward. Okay, now let's focus on our last phase, which is about our community. If you encounter any issues, I highly recommend you to join the Discord and address all of them. Here is our link to Discord. You can click on this link, or you can also find all our community social networks in this community tab. Also, I recommend you to subscribe to all our channels, at least YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, just to stay updated, because sometimes we release new lessons, we release new articles about new Roblox features, new mechanics. If you want to receive updates, just subscribe to social networks and you will receive them. Okay, congratulations. As I mentioned before, you have a quiz which you can complete by answering the questions. You have this knowledge base section with the detailed articles with some links which you can click and learn on your own. We also have some articles about our virtual world. You can go to our separate section on our website where we are describing what elements in our engine we have, like world map, we have compass, and so on. So what is next? You are now ready to start your first lesson, which is survival basics. So you can click next and start your first level. Thank you for watching. I highly recommend you to join our social media, write some messages and if you have questions or if you're stuck, and enjoy your lesson. See you soon.